Hi there, welcome to 47 Lower Terrace in Creede, Colorado, in Big River Ranch, a private gated community with private access to the Rio Grande River, some of the world's best fishing, rafting, and just plain good old time in Colorado. Come take a look. Big River Ranch neighborhood used to be an actual dude ranch, and this is one of the original cabins from that ranch. So that's why you'll see a number 12 on the door when you walk in. And it's an adorable, adorable tiny cabin that is for the summer only. But it has everything that you need. It has awesome views, plenty of storage. This is your kitchen sink overlooking the neighborhood. A huge piece of land that goes out there all the way to those trees on the other side of the post there. It goes to the road. And then across the road over there where that telephone pole is open space. So these views aren't really going to change unless you decide that you want to build on. There is plenty of space for everyone to be comfortable. I would think that you could easily sleep 6 people in here if you wanted to be cozy, because there are 3 bedrooms in a 600 square foot house. Plenty of storage and just a nice little escape, a nice little getaway. And you're 50 feet or less from the Rio Grande River. So this is just your sweet little tiny fishing cabin and your base camp for jumping off to all of the adventures that Colorado has to offer. So this is bedroom number 2. And then here is the bathroom. And this would be a 3/4 bath. I love the detail on these old-timey doors, antique original doors. Just a really simple bathroom. Nothing fancy, and that's okay. Really nice and comfortable. There's your shower. And then there's your sink. And your mirror. So yes, it can sleep 6 people, but just remember you've got 1 bathroom between all of you, and that's okay. It's really well laid out. It doesn't feel cramped at all. This would be another bedroom here. If you wanted to cram 2 more people in, to sleep 8, I guess you could. That's a pull-out couch, but a lot of natural light. You can see where this is kind of an addition that they built on. And literally there is the Colorado River. And you can see someone fishing today. You wouldn't go through that way. You would go through the HOA part of the river, and I'll show you that next. So this lot goes all the way to that corner of the road there. Has big cottonwood trees, little aspen over there. And this is your entire lot here. Then there's the cabin. And again, it goes to the other road over there. You've got some beautifully mature trees. It's on the shared well and septic. It has its own propane tank that's leased. This is all still 47 Lower Terrace. I'm just kind of showing you how you would walk over to the Rio Grande River if you wanted. So there's the cabin there. And then there is the playhouse for the children. So that then begins the HOA property here, the shared picnic pavilion. And then your markers for your lot line are right here. You can see the white tubes, that's your marker there. And then it kind of goes right up alongside the community picnic pavilion. And then again, this is your lot. And then all you have to do is walk over this way. And there is a shared shipping container for your boat, or your bikes, or whatever toys you want to have. So you don't need a garage. This is the community septic, which you would be on. And then this is community space too, and there's the Rio Grande River. So if you wanted to launch your boat or dip your line in the water, you're just right here. There's a little concrete landing pad there to help you get in and out. That's the Blue Creek Lodge right there, and that's the highway between South Fork and Creede there, but this is the Rio Grande River. So, you know, it's about, I would say, 50 or 100 yards to the cabin. That's shared open space over there. You can also get in and out of the river over that way.